Sealed. It's sealed guys, it's sealed. Kung natin kung budget mga ito. Oh. Oh. Nagbabalik. Nagbabalik siya guys. This is the Phantom Orion. They say this is the mid fake. So, tinitingnan ko yung print. The print. Okay naman. Bumabalik ako sa Beyblade kasi medyo uso siya ngayon. Ito yung nabili ko. Mid fake. This is a mid fake Beyblade. This is sabi Takara Tomy, may speculation na this is the mid fake. Siyempre, stop production na yung original nito. Pero sa Shopee may lumalabas sa mga ganitong product. So, ang binili ko is Phantom Orion or Phantom Orion. Ito yung code niya. Ay, sa ilalim. Ano to? Si GO912. Yan. So, tinitignan ko yung print niya. Parang, yun nga, may parang malabo. Medyo low resolution dito sa part na to. Pero pag eto tinignan mo, malinaw naman. Malinaw. Pero tong character, malabo. Sa gilid din, malabo. Medyo malabo. Pero kuha niya original, no? Kuha niya. Meron na ako dati nito, 'di ba? Meron na akong mga na unbox. So, mas mura ko siya nakuha ngayon. It's around $10. Dati $20 mahigit. So, tingnan natin yung content unbox. Okay. So far so good. So, makikita nyo yung plastic, hindi maganda yung pagkaka-sealed. Medyo hindi siya pantay. Diba? It's not perfectly, sealed. Sunod, the winder. Isa pa to. It's not perfectly sealed. So, ayan, yung Beyblade itself. Tignan natin. Alright. Pasensya na kayo sa background ito yung Beyblade mismo, guys. So, ang okay dito sa mga mid fake is may nag-test na mga ibang content creator, wala siyang LED. So, yung quality naman niya matigas. Wow, why is it this hard? Matigas to, guys, hindi maitanggal. Ayun. Ito yung I believe this is the metal frame. So, nababaliktad to. You can put on this side or this side. Okay, yeah. The quality of the metal frame is good. The face bolt one. So far so good. This is the clear wheel. It has glitter effect. Oh, I see imperfections. You see this? Yep. And then this is the for the buttons nya. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Nakalimutan ko na. This one, I forgot. What do you call this? Can you comment down below? I already forgot. Alright. The screw. Oh, the screw looks awful. It looks like it's supposed to be I think tri-wing, but this one is Phillips screw. Yep. This is a mid fake. Yeah, I believe I believe it it's not a legit one. This is the fake ones. Still a good fake. They call it. It's a good fake Beyblade. I hope the plastic gen will make also a mid fake. Okay. I will put some sticker on this Facebook later. Well, it's not bad. Still good. Next is the spinner, I think. Oh, it has a bad packaging again. They sell bad way. So this is, they put TAMB TX Takara Tomy made in China. You see, bad production. See the quality, guys. You can see the imperfections, this one and this one. Oh, over there too. Let's get the winder cord. Well, okay na rin kaysa sa wala. Hindi ka na makakatang mga ano neto, brand new. Oh, it's not pretty bad. Still good. Alright. So I have another package here. Soon we will unbox this also. So there you have it, the Phantom Arion mid fake from Copycat Bootleg Takara Tomy. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next content. This is the Mendozas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will test this soon. Okay.